So you have one of the Samsung Galaxy S25's and you have an issue where you have a black screen. Even though you have a black screen, you know the phone is still on. Maybe you can feel it vibrate, you can hear chimes coming in, or you can always plug your phone in and you should be able to hear that chime, okay? Now this phone here is working, but we're going to pretend that we have a black screen here. I'm going to give you two things that you can do right now, but it's only going to help about 50% of you guys, okay? So the first thing is this, all right? Pretend my screen here is black. What we want to do is restart this phone with a key combination with the volume down and the power button. We want to press and hold both buttons at the same time and count to. Okay, so I just had to confirm, but basically what we have to do is press and hold those two buttons down for 13 seconds, okay? So let's pretend my screen here is black, but you can see what my phone does, all right? So ready? You can do it with me. Volume down, power button ready, set, go. Press and hold. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 seconds. Let go now. Now just wait and it should start back up. We'll see a Samsung logo here, probably about like in 1 minute. So just be really patient, okay? Just wait. Finally, now it's booting back up. Yeah, once it boots back up, hopefully you no longer have a black screen. Now, if you still have a black screen, the next thing we're going to do is try this. Go ahead and plug your phone in, give it some power. After it's plugged in and it's charging, we want to do the same thing, same key combination to restart it. Volume down, power. We'll do it together. Volume down, power. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm going to count to 13. Follow along with me. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let go. And again, we're going to have to wait like another minute. So just be patient. Booted back up. I don't know why, but this time it took like 30 seconds. But it's booting up now, and hopefully yours boots up into a working screen. Now, if this didn't work for you, then I would recommend try step 1 and 2. Keep trying it again several times, okay? If it still doesn't work, I have other videos on other Samsung Galaxy phones where I go more in depth with more possible fixes. Just comment or just look for the video if you want to see additional steps besides these two steps here. Okay, good luck, guys.